Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this awesome boy playing soccer. Isn't he full of energy? Let's start by drawing his body and the ball. Grab your pencil, and let's begin. Now it's time to color. Start with the boy's hair, color it brown. His shirt should be light blue, and his shorts can be dark blue. His socks should be white with blue stripes, and the shoes can be blue as well. The soccer ball should be black and white. You're doing awesome, keep coloring. Look at that, the boy is ready to play soccer, and he looks fantastic. You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawing adventures. Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable girl watering flowers in the garden. Isn't she just sweet? Let's start by drawing her body and the watering can. Grab your pencil, and let's get started. Now, let's color. Start with the girl's dress, color it blue, and her socks and shoes can be white with red shoes. The watering can should be light blue, and the flowers can be different bright colors like orange, yellow, and red. Don't forget to color her hair brown and add a light blue flower to her head. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep going. Look at that! The girl is all finished watering her beautiful flowers, and everything looks amazing! You did such a great job today! Keep practicing, and you'll be a master artist in no time! See you next time for more fun drawings!